Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an egg sandwich easily. First, gather your ingredients: 2 eggs, 2 slices of bread, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Don't forget a slice of cheese, plus a pinch of salt and pepper for seasoning. Make sure you have a non-stick pan and a spatula ready to go. This simple setup ensures a smooth cooking process for your delicious sandwich. Now, let's cook those eggs to perfection. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in your non-stick pan over medium heat. Crack 2 eggs directly into the pan, then season them with a pinch of salt and pepper. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until the whites are set. Flip 1 egg, then immediately place your cheese slice on top of the other egg to start melting. With your eggs cooked, it's time to assemble your delicious sandwich. First, toast your 2 slices of bread to your preferred level of crispness. Once toasted, carefully place the egg with the melted cheese onto 1 slice of bread. Then, add the second egg on top of the cheese-covered egg. Finally, complete your sandwich by placing the remaining slice of toasted bread on top. Your easy egg sandwich is now complete. For a more manageable and enjoyable experience, I recommend cutting your sandwich in half. Serve it immediately to savor the warm, gooey cheese and perfectly cooked eggs. It's a quick and satisfying meal any time of day. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.